Hello everyone, myself Sachin Shamsundar Konkar from BE Civil in Gharda Institute of Technology. So, our project title is Design and Planning of Zero Energy Public Building with Movable Solar Panel System by using Revit software. And my group members are Viraj Kamble, Sahil Khatate and Dheeraj Chavan. And we are perform this project under the guidance of Professor S.S. Gujarati Madam. So, first thing is we are selecting Zero Energy Public Building as a hospital because multi-speciality hospital building provides medical services to the people, and nowadays most working building is a hospital because of COVID-19. The next slide is content, and this presentation based on this content. Next slide is introduction. Buildings have significant impact on energy use and the environment. Commercial and residential buildings use almost 40% of the primary energy and approximately 70% of the electricity in the India. So first is zero energy building is a building with zero net energy consumption. In short, the total amount of energy used by the building and on annual basis is roughly equal to the amount of renewable energy created on the site. The renewable energy sources off-site using technology such as solar panels, insulation, high-efficiency windows, and heat pumps. These buildings reduce the consumption of primary energy through enhanced energy efficiency, on-site utilization of renewable energy sources like bigger job openings and well-planned alignment. Second one is the link between energy-efficient technology and renewable utilization. Third one is the maximum output from solar system increases efficiency. Fourth one is the solar tracking system has 35% higher generating power than fixed. Solar panels absorb the energy from the sun and converts into electrical energy and stores the energy. The position of the sun with respect to the solar panel is not fixed due to the rotation of the earth. This can be done only if these panels are continuously placed facing towards the sun. Therefore, rotating solar panels 35% more energy generated than fixed panels. Next slide is Zero Energy Building Overview. These are the some instruments or systems which are commonly used in zero energy building for to take advantages from natural sources like cooling towers, double glazed unit windows, insulated walls, solar panels, solar hot water, rainwater harvesting, etc. Definitions. The first one is a zero energy building. The total amount of energy used by the building is larger or equal to the amount of renewable energy created on-site or off-site. The second one is a nearly zero energy building. Reducing energy demand by passive techniques improve energy efficiency of a building system using renewable energy with extremely low energy consumption. So third one is a ultra low energy building. Reducing energy demand by passive techniques improving energy efficiency of the building with low energy consumption. Why do we need zero energy buildings? First one is a renewable source of energy. Complete use of renewable sources of energy such as solar system or wind turbines reduces pollution. The second one is the energy generation is free. After recovery period, energy generation is free. Also, excess energy generated can be sold to electricity suppliers. The next one is the use of insulation and airtight envelope enables maximum efficiency. Reducing energy consumed for cooling and ventilation. Also, instruments used for heating such as heat pumps are advanced or much more efficient. The next one is the bigger openings. Bigger openings in the building enables maximum use of natural sources of light and ventilation. Next one is a consume lesser electricity. Lighting in the building will make use of LED lights which consumes lesser electricity. Energy statics. This energy consumption of our hospital. For cooling 21%, for miscellaneous 20%, for ventilation 19%, for lighting 16%, for computing 9%, for other 9%, for refrigeration 6%.
Aim. The aim of our project to make public building more sustainable by using renewable source of energy. Objectives. Design public zero energy building, reduce monthly electricity bill, to reduce the usage of conventional source of energy as much as possible. Methodology. Study of various concepts related to zero energy building, planning of project, architect, drawing using AutoCAD, 3D modeling of design zero energy building in Revit, cost calculation for application of solar system for building, prototype of tracking solar panel system, synthesis of data. These are some literature you refer for our project.
Material involved in solar panel system: power meter, solar battery, charge controller, lights and application, electrical grid, solar inverter, solar PV panels, insulating glass. Insulating glass consists of two or more glass window panels separated by vacuum to reduce heat transfer across a part of building envelope. Air sealing is a systematic process of finding and sealing air leakage point to reduce the amount of air that leak and out of the building. Insulation helps to increase the energy efficiency of our building by reducing the amount of heat that escapes from it in the winter and keeping it from getting too warm in summer month. Design of zero energy building. This is our ground floor plan of our building designed in AutoCAD software with reception area, canteen, doctor's room, laboratories, meeting hall and medical, and also proper passage and ventilations are provided. This is the first floor plan of our building with wards room and ICU with proper passage and ventilations are provided.
This is working plan of our hospital designed in Revit software. Elevation of building. This is 3D plan of our hospital designed in Revit software with proper passage, ventilations, roof.
Working of solar system. In working of solar system, sunlight heat the solar panel and create an electric field. The electricity generated flows to the edge of the panel and into the conductive wire brings the electricity to the inverter, where it is transformed from DC electricity to AC, which is used to power building. Solar tracking system, a system that an object and angle related to the sun. The most common application of solar tracker are positioning solar panel so that they remain perpendicular to the sun rays so that they can determine the sun direction. There are two types of the solar tracking system. First, single axis solar tracking system. Second, dual axis solar tracking system. We use single axis solar tracking system for our project. Single axis solar tracking system. When movement of the solar panels happen by rotating around one axis, then this system called as single axis solar tracking.
Then after we go for load calculation. It contains the amount of electricity used by the building in daily basis. The detailed load calculation is mentioned in our project report. After that, we studied the system specification and cost calculation. We use DC system of size 50 kW for our project. Other details are mentioned in the system specification chart. Then we calculate energy generated per month by using Excel sheet data and also calculate the respective energy values. After studying and calculation of total energy generation throughout the year, we also consider the system losses and we design the system which is capable of smooth functioning. We also mention the overall cost required for the system with the recovery period. And the outcome of our project is